Load your family into the 2007 Nissan Xterra. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear cup holders, skid plates, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.